2017 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter. I-Force 5.7 liter. Really beautiful truck. He's surprising his dad with a muffler delete, so you guys wish him a happy birthday for us. He's got his dad's birthday's coming up. So what we got done on it for him, got 4 converters, 2 here, 2 here. Then we did a muffler delete right there. As you guys can see, added a Y pipe, left the original tailpipe out the back into a 4-inch black tip. There's the muffler that we cut off. The Toyotas come with a dual-in single-out muffler, so make sure you guys order the correct muffler for it or do a Y pipe setup when you need to do it. And then he put a 4-inch tip on it right there, a black one, earlier in the year. Looks good, matches the whole look of the truck. Really nice truck, really clean, nice lift kit. So like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's a muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2010 Toyota Tundra. Really nice truck, lifted, got custom bumpers, custom everything. It's really nice, really well built. What we got done on it, it's got aftermarket converter on this side, a secondary regular converter, and then regular converters on this side. 4 of them total come on Tundras. And then if they come already true dualed, but then they wire into a regular muffler, you know, with a single outlet. We cut all that off and did true duals all the way back 2 1/4 and into mandrel bent tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, into massive 5-inch angle cut tips, because you know, why not? There and there. And we had to take his beloved train horns off to be able to do the duals. But it's okay. Exhaust is more important. And like always guys, please subscribe to keep supporting us and keep getting you guys more videos. Thank you. Much better. Oh yeah. Sound decibels. Bro, it hit 112. That's crazy. Just with a bumper delete. That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. Much better. Toyota Tundra. True dual straight pipe with 5-inch tips. Sound decibels. Again. 113. Wow. That sounds awesome. 113, man. That's loud. Really nicely done, man. I like it. She needs a pad. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Getting some electrical put in. That's what you guys were hearing, the drilling. Tundra, baby. True dual, straight pipe, 5-inch tips.